Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm creating a new playlist and it's all going to be about Photoshop. So I'm going to teach you how to use Photoshop. For those of you that don't know, I'm also a graphic designer. So yeah, I do work as a wardrobe stylist, but I'm also a graphic designer on the side. I love using Photoshop because I get to also be creative on there. So in today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the clipping mask. And I'm going to show you how to create a shape and then add an image onto that shape. And I'm going to use the circle because I just like circles. So let's get started. I already have my picture open. So if you don't have your picture open, all you want to do is go to File, Open, and then just open the image, wherever it is you have it saved. Oh, and also to make a note, I'm using Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. Okay, so if you go to the right hand side of your screen, you have layers. Right here, my image is already there. So I'm going to rename it and I'm going to call it bathroom selfie because you know what? I was in the bathroom when I was taking the selfie. My sister's right here in the background. She did my makeup. She's a cosmetologist and I really like how I look in this picture, so we're going to use it. So let's create a new layer. See where this icon is? It looks like a piece of paper and it says create a new layer. So you just want to click on there. I'm going to rename it by double clicking and I'm going to call it circle. Let's just make things easy. So you want to go to the left hand side of your screen and here are all your shapes. I don't want to use a rectangle, so I'm going to choose the ellipse tool. Okay, so let's make a circle. I'm going to hit V and then just drag it over my face because I think that's about like where I want the picture to clip. So you can't clip it like this, so what you have to do is move the shape below the image. Don't worry, I know you can't see the circle, but it's there. And you want to click on the image, and then you want to right click, and then click on Create Clipping Mask. And see how easy that was? Now you have your image onto a shape. And also what you can also do is that if you don't want it to be so up close like that, just click on Command T and then hit Shift. I use a trackpad, so when you hit Shift, put your finger on the trackpad and then just drag the picture over like that. And then you can drag it and then just, play around with it. I think I like it like that, so then I'm going to hit Command Return. And now what you want to do is go over to your Layers section. You see how Bathroom Selfie is selected? You want to hit on Shift and also select Circle. And then you want to double click and then select Link Layers. Now both the layers are selected. And there you go. You have your image. Thanks for tuning in, everybody.